Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Swapna. This is a second lecture and this is the third chapter, the online marketing and the CRM. Let us see a legal consideration for data protection. The data protection refers to the set of privacy laws, policies and a procedure that aims to avoid a misuse of customers' personal data. Personal data generally refers to the information or data which relate to a person who can be identified. From that information. All data collected by any government and a private organization. India's regulatory mechanism for data protection and privacy is the Information Technology Act 2000. The IT Rules 2011 only deals with protection of sensitive personal data or information of a person. The IT rules grant the right to individuals with regards to their sensitive personal information. Any processing of personal data can be done only on the basis of consent given by a data principal. Companies can process a personal data only for a specific, clear, and a lawful purpose. Additionally, they are required to undertake the certain transparency and accountability measures such as implementing security, safeguards, and the instituting grievance redressal mechanism to address complaints of individuals. Hence, when the companies or the marketer are using a customer's personal data, so then they should follow all the legal conditions. Here are some new regulations which can control the private data of the consumer, such as a General Data Protection Regulation. It is known as a GDPR. And the California Consumer Privacy Act, that is known as CCPA in US state. As per the GDPR, that is General Data Protection Regulation, some are the legal consideration for the marketers and the organizations includes data permission. As per this point, firstly, the marketer or the organization has to take permission from the users. The second is a data access. Data access gives the right to have inaccurate or outdated personal data to be removed. The companies like Google, who were forced to remove the page from its search engine result in order to comply. And the third point is a data focus. Data focus is collecting only the data that is needed and not any the extra information. Only the needed information is collected. Let us see the steps involved in collecting data from the customers. The legal steps. The first is the collecting information. When collecting information about customers, try to find out what your customers are buying, why they are buying, and how often they are buying. It also includes any potential customers who have made inquiries about your goods or the services. The many ways to collect the information, like the order forms, then the inquiries, complaints, the warranty cards, the customer rewards programs, customer satisfaction surveys, feedback card, etc. So by using these methods, the company can collect the information from the customers. The second step is storing information. You must store information carefully and in accordance with a privacy laws. Remember that the customer information is confidential and must be stored securely. The third step is maintaining customer information. Customer information is only useful if it's up to date. It's important to regularly check the accuracy of your customers' information and update it where necessary. Hence, the up-to-date information of the customer is required. And the last step is using stored customer information. Make sure you ask your customers if they would like to receive information or updates from you and give them the option to opt out. Thank you.